Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka sunam ruguvanshi bat kilaingut kishnrang kata anan Vishal bat Akash Klayo ban batay banya igi pulit hakapor bagi penyap yu raja ruguvanshi Weisawdong keblajah ka arpulai terik jemang arjar arpesan. Habay akran berkinong thok khobor Weisawdong uba Vivek's EM Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills ulayat ho ba Vishal uday uba tiat Nyngkong yu raja bat hadian kata kisah Bret yu Riat. Ulayat ho ba hadian balawan to akit syamaulakyat kajaka babu skuti kilawan yalam Weisawdong kajaka bagi penyap yu raja.
The SIT today visited a number of places. We have done reconstruction in 5 places, starting from Maulakyat up to Weisawdong parking lot. And this reconstruction has been based on the interrogations we've been conducting over the last few days. I have already told you that in the interrogations they have admitted to offence, and we just had to actually replay or recast how they had done it. And we started off from the Maulakyat parking lot where they had kept the scooties. Then we had moved on to a place about 3 to 4 kilometers from Weisawdong parking lot, whereby they had stopped to take photographs, and there was an attempt in that place, but it was not feasible because Raja started off his bike, and so they had to move on. Stopped about 200 meters away from the Weisawdong parking lot. There only photographs were taken, but attempt was not made in that point. We finally came to the Weisawdong parking lot where the scooties were kept. We ascertained where the scooties were kept and the position of the scooties vis-a-vis the parking lot, and where they had actually made an ingress into the viewpoint. After that, we had gone to the viewpoint. We had ascertained where Raja was standing. We had taken to replay the whole thing, we had taken one of our personnel from the fire and emergency services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder, who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered, and you have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete, which is not recovered and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF on the job, they've gone down and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained how Akash, the white shirt which we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June, that was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offence has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We have recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it, and I think the reconstruction was very, very successful. Thank you. We have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a particular fall to the gorge, The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today. If not, then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that or using that weapon on the victim has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained.
The third one, the one from the neck.
What about the phone? See, there were, as per the postmortem report, there were two wounds on the head. So the third one which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, the postmortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the two head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
So where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry? See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
The documents that Radha was wearing, gold chain, the money, where?
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Nyngkong only. There was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Was wearing?
Was he hit from behind? Was he taken by surprise?
Yes, he was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit because it used two hands for that hit.
राजा ने अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कैसे कोशिश की थी, क्या हाथापाई हुई थी, और सोनम उस वक्त कहाँ पर मौजूद थी? सोनम ने भी क्या उसे मारने की कोशिश की थी या लाश को डंप करने में मदद की थी?
See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and
कितना दूरी पे होगा सर, कम से कम?
Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job, and Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot.